Jiangmen Zhuosheng Machinery Co. Limited is located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, the famous Chinese overseas Chinese capital. It is an important node city in the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area, bordering the South China Sea, adjacent to Hong Kong, Macau and Shenzhen. Rich industry resources and convenient transportation. As a professional manufacturer, our company is a private science and technology innovation enterprise, integrating independent research and development, design and manufacturing, installation and commissioning and training. Mainly produce and sell automatic polishing machine, automatic wire drawing machine, automatic flanning machine, curling and trimming machine, automatic spinning machine, automatic plate rolling machine, CNC spinning machine, welding machinery and other non-standard equipment. Can also customize various types of non-standard machinery according to customer needs. Products are widely used in hardware, furniture, props, plumbing and sanitary ware, sports equipment, kitchen utensils, electronic appliances, chassis, cabinets and other industries and fields. The company has a professional mechanical design team, a professional production and sales team, and a complete after-sales service system. Through more than 10 years of hard work and development, the company has continuously developed and manufactured automatic, semi-automatic and special mechanical equipment suitable for many industries. We adhere to the principle of respecting and serving customers and are committed to making first-class products and providing first-class services to give back to customers. We have won the support and recognition of customers at home and abroad. Let us work together for win-win cooperation and create a better tomorrow.